In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can connect with the people you want to play with. Start by opening the Steam desktop app and signing in. Give the app a moment to load your library and community features. Having a stable internet connection helps everything refresh quickly. Next, look to the bottom right corner of the Steam window for the Friends and Chat button. Click it to open your Friends panel. If your window is small and you don't immediately see it, try maximizing Steam or look for a small speech bubble icon in that same corner. Clicking that opens the same panel. Inside the Friends and Chat panel, click Add a Friend. This takes you to Steam's Add a Friend page, which is designed specifically for safe, direct connections. Here, Steam displays your friend code. This is a short numeric code that's unique to your account. You can copy it and share it with someone you know, but keep it private and share it only with people you trust. You never need to give out personal details or passwords, just this code when you want someone to add you. For this walkthrough, you'll be using your friend's code instead. Ask your friend to open their Steam app, go to the same Add a Friend page, and send you their friend code. They can copy and paste it into a message so you don't mistype anything. Because it's numbers only, it's straightforward, but it must match exactly. Once you have their code, paste it or type it into the entry box on the Add a Friend page. Double-check there aren't any extra spaces at the beginning or end. When it looks right, click Send Invite. Steam will send a friend request directly to that account. At this point, your friend will receive a notification on their side. As soon as they accept, you'll see them appear in your Friends and Chat list, and you can start chatting or launch games together. If you don't see the update right away, give it a moment or click back to the Friends and Chat panel to refresh. If an error appears, confirm you're online, that Steam is up to date, and that the code was entered correctly. That's all there is to it. Open Steam, click Friends and Chat, choose Add a Friend, view your friend code, get your friend's code, enter it, and send the invite. Repeat the same process for anyone else you want to add, and you'll have your friends list set up in no time.